Let's face it, buying an SUV in 2025 is a bit like swiping on a dating app. Everything looks shiny at first, but 6 months later, you're stuck with something needy, moody, and always lighting up your dashboard like a Christmas tree. That's why real-world reliability matters more than ever. Lucky for you, we have rounded up 8 SUVs that don't ghost you the second the warranty expires. These are the machines mechanics actually like working on, because they barely have to. Owners won't trade in even after a decade, and dealers would buy for themselves. Yes, really. The last one on this list just might be the most underrated SUV of the decade. Buckle up, because this isn't about hype. It's about real-world resilience. Number 8. 2025 Subaru Forester. Not flashy, not viral, but if you are looking for the SUV equivalent of that friend who always shows up on moving day and brings snacks, this is it. With a 2.5-liter flat-four boxer engine and full-time all-wheel drive, the Forester is built to survive winter, dirt roads, and the daily grind. It's lower to the ground for better balance, and the CVT provides smooth, drama-free driving. The inside isn't trying to impress influencers. Big windows, straightforward controls, and visibility for days. Subaru's EyeSight system adds solid safety tech without feeling like it's trying to parent you. Number 7. 2025 Toyota RAV4. We say that lovingly. If there's one vehicle that just refuses to quit, it's the Toyota RAV4. Whether you go gas or hybrid, this compact SUV is built to take the hits and keep driving. The base 2.5-liter engine paired with an 8-speed automatic is a match made in engineering heaven. But the real gem is the hybrid. With 219 horsepower and a hybrid system that's been refined over decades, it's practically bulletproof. No jerks, no stutters, and certainly no impromptu mechanic visits. Inside, it's simple, practical, and hard-wearing. If you're looking for something that won't age faster than a banana in summer, this is your ride. And when you're ready to sell, it'll still be worth a small fortune. Number 6. 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid. Hyundai? On a reliability list? Yes, and don't act so surprised. The 2025 Santa Fe Hybrid is one of the smartest under-the-radar SUV buys this year. It blends a 226-up hybrid system with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty that makes Toyota and Honda look stingy. The ride is smooth, the transitions between gas and electric are seamless, and maintenance costs practically non-existent in the first 50,000 miles. Inside, the design is clean and modern. Think less sci-fi experiment, more Scandinavian furniture store. No overly complicated menus, no screens within screens. Just solid functionality and the best warranty in the business. Number 5. 2025 Lexus RX. Luxury usually comes at the cost of reliability, but not with the Lexus RX. The RX 350's 2.4-liter turbocharged engine is both refined and durable, but the RX 500 HF Sport. Now we are talking. It marries turbo power with a high-output hybrid motor, delivering 366 horsepower while reducing wear on internal parts. It's fast and likely to outlive your HOA drama. The adaptive suspension smooths out bumps like a Michelin star chef smooths mashed potatoes, and the tech inside is both cutting-edge and practical. Big touchscreen? Check. Real buttons for volume and temperature? Double check. Lexus Safety System Plus is the cherry on top, giving you peace of mind without turning the dashboard into a Christmas light show. Number 4. 2025 Toyota 4Runner. Still built like a truck, still refusing to conform to the touchscreen-loving crossover crowd. The Toyota 4Runner is a dinosaur, and we mean that in the best way. It's one of the last body-on-frame SUVs standing, and it's built like it's ready for the apocalypse. With a big burly 4.0-liter V6 under the hood, the 4Runner isn't winning any green awards, but it'll outlast every single one of your neighbor's hybrids. We've seen these hit 250,000 miles without major issues. No timing belt horror stories, no finicky turbos, just reliable old-school muscle. Inside, think function over fashion, big buttons, rugged plastics, and a cabin that could survive a frat party. If you're the kind of person who wants an SUV that'll survive both family vacations and zombie outbreaks, this is it. Number 3. 2025 Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 is the SUV version of a guy in a $400 suit who only paid $89 and somehow still looks better than everyone else. It's under $35,000, but once you slide behind the wheel, you swear it belongs in a valet-only zone next to the German badge brigade. The doors shut with a satisfying thunk that screams solid engineering and not budget build. The turbo engine? It's like giving a Labrador an espresso, smooth, eager, and ready to play. This SUV handles corners with the kind of precision that makes you double-check the badge to make sure it's not secretly a BMW in disguise. Even mid-trim interiors feel like a spa day. Soft touch everything, a leather-wrapped wheel, and a rotary dial that gives your fingers something classy to do. There are actual knobs for climate control, praise be, so you won't be digging through 5 menus to turn down the AC. And the safety features. They're like a calm, responsible co-pilot, not a hyperactive parrot squawking at every leaf in your blind spot. Quiet, confident, and absurdly well-built, the CX-5 is proof that you don't need to blow your savings to drive something that feels designer-made. Number 2. 2025 Acura MDX. Most luxury cars act like divas, always demanding attention, throwing tantrums in the form of warning lights, and needing spa days at the service center, but not the Acura MDX. This thing is more like that classy friend who shows up in a suit, helps clean up after the party, and never spills red wine on the carpet. Powered by a silky 3.5-liter V6 that purrs like it's been drinking chamomile tea, the MDX also comes with a 10-speed automatic that shifts so smoothly you might not even notice you're moving until you're already late. The tech? Functional, not fussy. Acura skipped the let's replace every button with a touchscreen phase. And thank goodness. The ELS audio is so crisp it'll make your Spotify playlist sound like a live concert, even if it's just lo-fi beats. The interior is stylish, not showy, and nothing feels like it's going to snap off if your kid pokes it. Best part? Owners brag about how little they spend fixing it. It's the dad jeans of the luxury world, understated, dependable, and way cooler than you remember. This is luxury for people who like their bank accounts as smooth as their ride. Number 1. 2025 Honda CR-V. Selling a CR-V is like sending your kid off to college and never getting a help. I need money called just peace and quiet. This little Honda legend is the SUV equivalent of a golden retriever. Loyal, low maintenance, and surprisingly energetic when it needs to be. The 1.5-liter turbo engine hums along like a barista on their third espresso, efficient, reliable, and just caffeinated enough. But the real star, the hybrid version, which sips fuel like it's rationing for the apocalypse. With 204 horses under the hood and no stutter in sight, it's smoother than your uncle's dance moves at weddings. Inside, everything is just right. Real buttons, hallelujah. Intuitive design, and no futuristic gimmicks that require a PhD to operate. It even smells new past 80,000 miles. How does Honda do that? Plus, the safety tech works without yelling at you like a disappointed parent. If you want an SUV that keeps your wallet closed and your mechanic bored, this is it. Drive it, forget it, and enjoy never being on a first-name basis with roadside assistance. And there you have it. 8 SUVs that could outlast your phone, your furniture, and maybe even your last relationship. If this list helped you dodge a 4-wheel money pit, do me a favor. Punch that like button like it just cut you off in traffic. Subscribe for more no fluff, no dealership spin car content because your wallet deserves better.